In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create a hazardous materials profile in ACE and add it to an ACE shipment with a mobile device. In ACE, when hauling goods that are classified as hazardous, U.S. Customs and Border Protection requires highway carriers to provide a UN code which describes the hazardous goods, as well as the handling instructions and emergency contact information when submitting an AC manifest to CBP. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, click the menu icon and tap AC Manifests. Then tap Hazardous Materials. This will bring you to the ACE Hazardous Materials search page, where you can view and manage all of the hazardous material codes and information entered into BorderConnect. To create a new hazardous materials code, click New Hazardous Material on the top. Once there, enter the 4-digit UN code. Then the emergency contact name, contact number, and optionally the contact email. Once the hazardous materials have been added, click Save on the top, and you'll be brought back to the Hazardous Materials search page, where you can see that your new hazardous material profile has been added below. Now you're free to use it when adding hazardous materials to your ACE shipment commodity. Now, let's add the hazardous materials profile to an ACE shipment commodity. Once you're on the Add Commodity for ACE shipment page, and after you add your description, quantity, and weight, navigate below and add the 4-digit UN code of the hazardous commodity, and it'll automatically pop up for you. Just tap it to assign it to the commodity. It's that easy. And you can also add the hazardous materials profile on the fly, right from the Add Commodity for ACE shipment page. Just enter all the details of the hazardous materials and save it along with your commodity. It's important to note that to qualify to send an AC manifest with hazardous materials in your commodity, an insurance policy must be added to your company profile and also assigned to the truck on your AC manifest. To learn how to add an insurance policy to your company profile and assign it to your truck, click the link at the top of the video now. Or, to learn how to add hazardous materials profile from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.